G'day everyone, welcome to the show. Tonight I'm kicking off a new series that I'm doing. It's a bit of a story, so I guess I need to set some context around it for you. Back in 2021 I put together a ride plan for a group of riders from the Aussie moto content creator group, and then I headed up to the 2022 get together and threw the plan on the table. Everybody jumped on board and were really keen to do it. So this series will be 2024 Aussie content creators doing a lap of Tassie. The weekend's evolved. I've been doing a lot of planning and bits and pieces, getting everything ready and booking hotels and setting routes with plan Bs and bits and pieces in place, hoping to get all this put together for what will be an amazing 5 days. So please join us for episode 1, which will be getting ourselves all organised and heading down and meeting the group as they get off the Spirit of Tasmania in Devonport. So kick back, grab yourself a bevy, got one here ready to go, and let's get going on this adventure. And down to Tulla. Ideally love to do that loop from there to I don't know. Hi, Tulla Lakeside Lodge. I'd like to ask about room availability and pricing, please. Availability of 22 rooms on February 10. You have? Okay. And there'll be... Okay, you'll do them at that rate. Oh, nice. Excellent. Yep, I'll shoot you through an email, my details and contact numbers. Yeah, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you very much. Bye. Yep. Yeah, no, that's what we're after. Yep. Yep. And that's the giant table cottages. Yeah, no, thanks Donna. That's fantastic. Yeah, no, cool. That's great. Excellent. All right. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, bye. And of course, as some of the greatest plans go, things need to change along the way. So when I put the plans together for the trip, we did embark on a massive day one on the proviso that the boat landed at like 6:30 in the morning. The Spirit now, since conception of the plan, comes from Geelong. It doesn't arrive till a lot later than previously, so we've had to make some massive changes to that day one plan, which is fine. There's plenty to see in Tassie. That the crew will not be disappointed in what it is we have to show them. I can't even lace that down as yet because we're still actually working on it, so it'll be a blow by blow depending on the weather, the situation, the time the boat actually does arrive. There's all these things to consider, so it'll be fine. It'll be fine. I hope it'll be fine. Also, there's some people that I really do need to thank that have helped me put these plans together. Rochelle and Roger from the Harley Throttle Juice, they did a lot of the groundwork in preparing the mainland cruise, organising the boat, all those type of things. So thank you to you guys. I'm so devastated that you can't be coming this time, but hey, we'll just get you up the track for when you are available to come down. And I also want to thank Tassie T. He's been instrumental in helping me reroute the ride on this first day to get it all organised. So I'm actually looking forward to spending a few days with the crazy guy and having a few beers with him. I'm sure he's going to keep it very light-hearted, which is going to be fantastic. So I'm not much sure whether I can do much more than pack up my shit, get it on the bike and get on up the highway. So we might see you on the road. Let's get going. This is going to be a blast, hopefully. This is stressing me out, heading this is stressing me out. A lot of people relying on this trip, so yeah, bit off way more than I can chew. Oh dear. People, well, they're going to love me or hate me by the end of this. But anyway, that is what it is. So let's get on the bike, let's get going. Let's go. Well, after 2 years planning, it's D-Day. The boat's due in 7:30. Like to be there to see them come off. So a nice early start, 6 o'clock. Still a bit dark, that's okay. Sunrise due 6:08, I think. So we're just heading out now. We'll catch up with Ebony, pick her up on the highway on the way through, and get up to Devonport. My anxiety levels are through the roof, but anyway, deal with it, big fella, deal with it. Join us for what could be a magnificent trip. That's what we're hoping for, and we'll deal with the rest of it as it comes. So they're all on the boat, they're on their way. Let's go and collect them and show them what is, in my humble opinion, the most beautiful state in Australia. Let's go. Okay, is Ebony here? Look at her, she's ready to go. Cool. How good is this Tasmanian coordination? Devonport, just waiting for the guys to arrive. I don't know whether you can hear that in the background. It's the horn and the Spirit. They're just coming, just banking round now and heading up the river. Ebony's setting up, get the camera ready to go, and we'll just wait for them to arrive. Well, I hope you enjoyed the first episode of Weekend at Berties, and we will see you in episode 2.